Ready? Cool.
You like your bike?
Oh, I love it, man.
You like that motor?
Yeah, the M18? Yeah, or the M8, sorry. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, have you had other ones?
No. This is my first Harley.
I've had Harleys for a long time, but mine's an old twin cam.
Yep.
And I've been considering buying one.
The M8, so this one, I put the 2-to-1 performance exhaust on there, and I got it dyno tuned. And it changed so much about it. It had no high-end power until the dyno tune and the exhaust, and now the thing just pulls after 3,000. I mean, it's, yep. I mean, it still has all that low-end torque that you would expect, but it pulls. It just needs to be tuned.
Yeah, because they do
Emissions. That's it. But
well, enjoy, man.
thank you for sure. What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I dropped something, but hey, I just been busy. It is what it is, but I'm gonna try to get a little bit more consistent like I was last year, really, 2023. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful day out here in Florida. We decided to go for a quick little ride down here to a beach. But man, what'd it do? I went to an Upchurch concert over the weekend. That shit was pretty fun, not gonna lie. All kinds of crazy shit I've been up to, and that's why I haven't really been on the bike as much as I like to. I have been commuting on it a little bit to work throughout the weekday, but I just feel like that would make for a boring ass fucking video. Like, it's fucking heavy morning traffic. We're just creeping through the fucking city, man. It's kind of boring, but it is what it is. Poor girl in the back was like, what the fuck? Oh. Sorry, man, we had to merge. Even with the added weight, man, this shit fucking moves, son. If you got an M8, get the bitch tuned, son. And not a flash tune, go get that shit dyno tuned, specific to your bike and the mod you got on. It'll make a world of difference. I'll tell you what, though, this is kind of one of my first times ever having someone passenger on a bike, and surprisingly not as different as I thought it would be. I mean, the fact that she knows to lean and into the corners and stuff like that definitely helps. But I kind of thought that I would be a little bit more top heavy and all these things, but even at a standstill, it doesn't really seem to be affecting my balance and also weight. A little bit of a shocker. I'm still obviously overly cautious with her, but I don't know, everything just feels pretty normal. I did tighten up the suspension for the added weight, use my owner's manual for that. I think I only had to go up one setting. She don't weigh too much, but you know, and the bike feels solid. Suspension feels good. The power is still right. It's still there. I mean, I don't feel much of a decline in acceleration or anything like that. So, highly recommend, man. If y'all planning on backpacking, a 2-up seat. I got the gel in this custom seat whenever I got it made for the passenger as well. Sissy bar is pretty much a must, only because it's kind of safety, but it also looks pretty sick on the bike. A little spicy outside. She's jamming out to music. She don't give a fuck what I say. The only thing that I definitely see affected the most, and the only thing that I would have a little bit of concern about, is the stopping power. The brakes are definitely a little less effective. I mean, I'm stopping perfectly fine. I'm just finding that at my normal, where I start to apply brakes and stuff like that, I'm having to squeeze a little bit harder. That's probably due to the fucking shitty brakes anyway. So I'm just learning to where I'm starting to apply brakes sooner. Kind of just be a little bit more cautious in that area, but stock Harley brakes are nothing really to begin with, so we'll have to upgrade them eventually anyway. What the fuck? Look at this. There you go. There you go. Pull up some. Why the fuck is it stalling out like that, dude? Now that was weird. That was... whatever.